And good morning, good evening, good afternoon, students and traders all around the world and analysts. How is everybody? Happy Tuesday, right? Happy Tuesday, very good. And today, everybody, we are going to start talking about what is your strategy, all right? We are going to go here and we are going to open here. And we're going to take a look at step by step. This is our last strategy session. It's going to be, I believe, 4 days. All right. This is from the Forex trading week. Everybody, we're going to leave it open. Okay. And we are going to take a look about 10 different strategies step by step, and we are going to try to build your strategy. All right, you are the boss, you choose. And remember, you are going to graduate from this course. Okay, it's not necessarily, but it would be good if before you come to the Forex course 202, if you have a strategy. It doesn't need to be perfect. It doesn't need even to make money. All right? No, it's not problematic, but otherwise we need to waste time in here. Okay? All right. So everybody, title, come on, all right, in here, right, in here, and delete. Let's delete most of the things here. There you go. Delete, and we don't need this anymore. All right. So here, let's edit label. All right. Should be new feature, right? All right. Introduction to Forex course 202. Introduction to Forex course 202. And introduction to edit label. Introduction to Forex course 202. All right. Number 1, an edge is a statistically proven fact that your strategy makes more I'm not sure why this is happening. What is the text here? Text here. All right. What is this one? An edge is a statistically proven fact that your strategy makes more money than it loses. All right. Oh gosh, this is so frustrating. All right, nothing here. All right, nothing here, nothing here. Let's go on a Word document, everybody. Better? All right. So introduction to Forex course 2, the institutional trader course. Number 1, an edge is a statistically proven fact that your strategy makes more money than it loses. All right. Number 2, to come to an edge, I need to collect minimum 100 samples. All right. And number 3, a sample is a trade that has an exact entry, exact trade management system, trade management, exact risk management, and the exact exit setup. Therefore, to come to an edge, logically, right? To come to an edge, I must form my strategy. All right, everybody? Does this make sense? Because of this, we are going to work now. We are going to take a look on 10 different strategies, step by step, all right? And here we go, and you can put a title, My Trading Strategy. You do it for yourself, exactly. Okay? Do this with me. Take what you like, reject what you don't like. There is no right or wrong anyway. All right? So if we go in here and let's open number 1. Okay, so this is Anna's data. So Anna has the section general. I will enter trades only from the 15-minute chart, 1 hour chart to our chart. Before I enter in the trade, I need the confirmation from the higher time frame, the confirmation time frame. I will trade short-term trends, I believe, short-term trends. I will trade extension trades and retracement trades. So this is 1. Let's go number 2. Whoops. Number 3. Important rules. There is no right or wrong. I will trade long term and short term. I will trade extension retracement. I will enter trades from 1 hour in the daily. I will never against the short-term trend. I will never enter to or out of trade without the plan. I will never trade the retracement on smaller time frame. I will never trade without a stop loss. I'm patient and wait until the market show my setup. I will journal my trade. I will not trade with emotions. Number 4. Market strategy. I will trade the market in the direction of the daily Fibonacci. Alright, number 5. This is in Portuguese. 6. David. I will trade long term. I'll trade extension retracement from 2. I can go against the daily trend in order to trade the retracement on the short chart. I will never enter trade without a plan. I will never trade without the stop loss. Alright, number 7. Checklist, trading, entry rules. Analyze the currency pair starting from, this is analysis. Number 8. Israel entry. I'm going to trade the market in the direction of the short-term trend. Alright. I can't go against the short-term trend from the daily. Alright. Number 9. KJ. Alright. Number 10. I will trade structure and short-term trends. Okay, we'll define. Alright. 11. General trading rules. I will enter the trades. 12. Arena general rules. 13. How and when. Fibonacci. Alright. 14. How and when. Looks like it's the same. 15. Alex. Alright, everybody. So we are going to hyperlink. Give me a second. Desktop. All right. So the first part is going to be general. All right. And this is Anna. So I'm going to copy and paste. And then I believe the last one, right? The last one, oops. Not this one. Not this one. Arena, general rules. Okay, everybody? So now it's for you to decide. General, we can do like this. Okay? So try to define what time frames are you going to trade. So number one, define. So the title is My Trading Strategy, subtitle number one is general. Point number one, define what time frame is going to be your trading time frame. All right, can have maximum 2. Okay, everybody? Number one, define what time frame is going to be your trading time frame. Example, okay, I am going to trade the 4-hour chart and the daily chart. Do this right now, everybody, do this with me. Yes, we're building your trading strategy. There is no right or wrong. Student traders on YouTube, type in the chat. What time frame are you willing to trade? 15-minute chart, 1-hour chart, 2-hour chart, 4-hour chart. Okay, so this will be one. Then we have, before I enter into a trade, I need a confirmation from the higher time frame and the confirmation time frame. I will trade short-term trades. I will trade extensions and retracements, and the same, this is, I will trade extension and retracements. I will enter trades from 4-hour and daily, so we covered about this one. I will never enter to or out of trade plan. I will never trade without so we're defining general rules so far. Okay. Now, number two, define what patterns are you going to trade and on what time frame from number one. Example, just an example. I am going to trade extensions only on the 4-hour market wave and extensions only on the daily Fibonacci. I will trade the original Fibonacci and the Fibonacci and the confirmation Fibonacci and the confirmation Fibonacci. Just an example. Yes, this is just an example. Example here, example here. I'm going to trade extensions only on the 4-hour market wave and extensions only on the daily Fibonacci. I will trade the original Fibonacci and the confirmation Fibonacci. So define what time frame and define what patterns are you going to trade on what time frame if you have more than one time frame. All right. And those are the rules. Everybody, I know it's tedious, but if you want the Lambo, this is how it goes. Make sense? Introduction to Forex course 202. Edge is the name of the game. How institutions make money, everybody. How JP Morgan Chase makes money. How Citibank makes money. How Dukas Copy makes money. The institutions that are making money, they have an edge. What is an edge? Is a statistically proven fact that the strategy makes more money than it loses. How do you come to an edge? You must collect minimum 100 samples. What is a sample? A sample is a trade that has the same entry, same trade management, same risk management, and same exit. You cannot pick and choose. This is the institutional sauce. So you cannot collect 100 samples, everybody, without having your strategy written in black and white, not subject to interpretation. Does this make sense? Exactly. The strategy is the structure to the money. Star, star, star. The strategy is the structure to the money that you are seeking, everybody. Do you know why 90% of people lose money in the financial markets? We come to this kind of conversation now. We are almost ending Forex course 101 for this year. We are almost ending Forex course 101 for this year, and this is now the conversation that we are having. The strategy is the structure to the money that you are looking for, that you want to make. Exactly. Do you know why 90% of people lose in the financial markets? Because their trading has no structure. Make sense, everybody? I'm writing a new book. It's going to be called One Trade Means Nothing. Beginner trader, retail trader way of thinking, it's, oh, I'm going to make one trade and I'm going to make some bucks and then I'm going to make another trade. But this second trade is totally different from trade number one. And they might win or lose, but let's say that they win again. And then they say, oh, I'm going to put on the third trade. The third trade is going to be something completely different again. Does this make sense to you? Why? Because their trading has no structure. How can you repeat something how can you repeat something 100 times if you have no rules to follow? Does this make sense? Alright. So just an example, I'm going to trade the 4-hour chart, and number 2, I'm going to trade extensions only on the 4-hour market wave. What does this mean? If I'm on NZD 4-hour chart, give it a second. And everybody, I'm going to close all of those, right? Just close position. It's Forex trading week, it's over. Congratulations to all the participants. Congratulations to all the participants. Congratulations. All right. So this is the 4-hour chart. And I need to go on the daily just to spot, right? Just to spot the market wave. Extension, retracement, extension, retracement, extension, retracement, extension, retracement, extension, retracement. And then from here, extension, retracement, extension. And if I go on the 4-hour chart, can we see the same story? Higher highs, higher lows. Yes, we do, right? Lower lows, lower highs, higher highs, higher lows, lower lows, lower highs. All right. So far this is the new retracement. Okay, so from my strategy, talking about the market wave, I'm going to trade extensions only. All right, as a matter of fact, I can trade extension in here. The market was making higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows. Then reverse, start making lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs. And now when the market breaks the counter trend line, if the market breaks the counter trend line, right? So we are monitoring the short-term trend, and if this happens, then I can short the market on the 4-hour chart based on my strategy. I'm going to trade extensions only on the 4-hour market wave and extensions only on the daily Fibonacci. All right. So I need to find the real Fibonacci, everybody. So I need to go. No, this is just an example. If I go on AUD/USD on the daily chart, give it a second. All right, this is AUD/USD daily chart. And why is this so... I'm not sure about ABCD. What is this measuring? Oh, there you go. New feature. New feature. All right, new feature. Whoops. go. Nah. It's alright, I don't like this one, but anyways. So from the strategy, everybody, I can trade the original Fibonacci, right? The extension. So do we agree that the market or the Fibonacci or the confirmation, exactly. Do we agree that the market's was making higher highs, higher lows, short term, but then reverse, making lower lows, lower highs, lower low, lower high, lower low, and now it's a lower high? Is the market in an extension going down? It is, right? So I can trade this one. Just an example. Now we are just determining the general rules. Okay? Different traders trade different patterns. Anna says I will trade short-term trends, trades. I will trade extensions and retracement. Well, I choose to trade just extensions. Okay. Define what patterns are you going to trade. Okay, number three. Define if you are going to trade extensions only, or are you going to trade extensions and retracements? Well, this is really 2.1, right? So we covered this one, I will never enter out of the plan. This is more of the philosophy. I will never trade about the stop loss. Alright, so we are here. Okay. Still general. I'm going to trade extensions only on the 4-hour market wave, not the daily. It's just an example. Hello Shola, hi my big boss, how is your health? My health is 100% back, thank you very much. Yeah, I got sick last week, right? Happens time to time, right? Yeah, just a little bit of rest and, you know, good food, 2 or 3 teas, vitamins, antibiotics if you need. And how are you, Shola? Yeah, we have a lot of news this week. We have a lot of news. Give me a second, everybody. Shola, how are you? Yeah, we're trying to build a strategy for the student of the Forex course 101. Yeah, I'm trying to explain to them about the edge. You know, it's not that easy to understand. But anyways, we are not going to finish today, everybody, alright? But we're going to continue tomorrow. So let's look at other strategies and talking about the patterns that they are trading. So number one, shorten trade. So this is the direction bias entry setup, not yet. Number two, so this is the same. Number three, simple strategy, draw the daily rule retracement, go on the 1 hour, structure, swing high low. This is a lot of analysis. I will trade the market in the direction of the daily Fibonacci according to the trends from the daily chart and 4-hour chart. So Marco is trading the Fibonacci, daily Fibonacci, alright. This is out, it's in Portuguese. Number 6. Fibonacci, extension, retracement, Fibonacci. So it's Fibonacci 7. Now let's see. Analyze the currency pair starting from the monthly, going to the weekly, dealing on every few monthly pivot points as well as weekly and monthly. Fibonacci, the extension, draw Fibonacci, market structure, and shorten trends on every time frame. You should know whether you are in an extension or in a retracement over every time frame. Good rule. Put the relevant upper lower bands, trading view, because if Forex missing data, no matter the trend, no matter the Fibonacci ones, you see market approaching. Okay, so he's talking about the shortened trend too. Right, I'm going to one alignments from different time frames. I'm going to trade the market in the direction of the short-term trend. Wow. And the 1 hour chart using alignments between Fibonacci's from different time frames. It's all good. Can you see everybody? We have different. Where is the mouse? And give me a second, everybody. I need to. All right. You can trade a short-term trend too. And so this is this is general, right? But those are the setups already. This means that I can enter a trade on the 1 hour chart with a general direction from the monthly, weekly, daily, talking about Fibonacci's, and at the same time going against the original Fibonacci from the daily, just an example, but with a short-term trend from the daily in my direction. In other words, it doesn't matter what time frame Fibonacci I'm trading, I can't go against the short-term trend from the daily chart. A short-term trend is defined by 2 lows and 2 highs in their respective direction. Okay, everybody? So, variable u is going to be I am going to trade the short-term trends on the daily chart. I will trade extensions only. Okay, I'm going to trade short-term trends on the daily chart or 1 hour chart or 15-minute chart. Why not? 15-minute chart. I will trade extensions only. Alright, everybody, I'm sorry I need to go. We're going to continue tomorrow. Alright? So, general, here you describe the general overview of your strategy. Alright? Now down in here we are going to have entry setup for the specific pattern. This is for tomorrow. Alright, everybody? Some of you love strategies, everybody, but I know, I understand, for some of you it's tedious work. Remember, you must have a structure to follow. It's an absolute must. Alright, everybody? Until tomorrow, stay strong and try to build a strategy like a boss. Alright, never forget you are the boss of your account. This is no joke, everybody. Forex course 2, it's coming. This one, it's coming for you, the money phase, you know. But you must do this in the proper way. You can have the Lambo, but you must do it in the institutional way. You know, you must get out of the retail trader thinking and get into the institutional trader way of thinking. Does this make sense? Alright, everybody, thank you for your time. This is